Squeaky floors can be annoying and difficult to repair, especially if you don't have access below the floor. In this case, we're on a second floor bedroom that's carpeted, so we can't get below to fix the squeak, so we're going to do it from above using a trim head screw. Trim head screw is simply a really narrow wood screw that has a very tiny head that you can drive through the carpeting and into the subfloor. So the first thing you need to do, locate the squeak and then separate the fibers of the carpet so they don't get wound up around the screw shaft. Then push the screw down tightly to the floor. And then it's simply a matter of driving it in. You want to drive it all the way down through the carpeting and into the subfloor. Because it has a nice small head, it goes all the way down and you'll never see it. But there you go. Now it's best to drive that screw right into a joist, then it really holds tight. But even when you don't, you just go through the subfloor, this will solve the squeaks almost every time.